Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites. Update watch OS and iOS so features match. Once done, pair the watch and iPhone, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and grant health permissions to share sleep data. Next, open the Health app on your iPhone, tap Sleep, and create a sleep schedule with bed and wake times. This configures the baseline. Make sure Wind Down is set if you want shortcuts and focus modes. These initial choices let the watch capture sleep automatically. Now focus on the watch itself. Open Settings, right arrow Sleep, and enable sleep tracking so the device records sessions automatically. Make sure wrist detection and heart rate access are active because they improve motion and HR-based detection accuracy. If you use Sleep Focus, enable it so notifications are silenced and the display dims during your schedule. You can tweak detection sensitivity in the Health app on iPhone. Higher sensitivity catches more stillness, but may increase. To finish, wear your Apple Watch Ultra snugly overnight and charge it to a comfortable level, around 30% or more, to avoid interruptions. In the morning, open the Sleep app on the watch or Health app on your iPhone to review duration, sleep stages, and trends so you can adjust schedules. If tracking doesn't start, restart both devices, check health and motion and fitness permissions, and re-enable sleep tracking. Recalibrating by wearing the watch consistently for several nights improves accuracy over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.